Hey guys, Mitch here. The long-awaited Auxo for iPad has finally arrived thanks to the hard work and developers of A3 Tweaks. Now Auxo, like the native iOS switcher or the multitasking tray, consists of three elements, your recent used apps, and two auxiliary pages. Now Auxo is very popular on the iPhone model, and thanks to the hard work, Auxo has now been ported over to the iPad, so let's take a look. So accessing your multitasking tray of a double press of the home button will allow you to see a nice preview of each application. You can swipe over to the left to display your media toggles, and then swiping over one more will allow you to see all of your settings toggles, which we'll go over in a little bit later. So if you wanted to delete each individual app, just go ahead and swipe down on each preview of each application and it will be deleted. Or if you want to delete all of them, just hold down one and then select yes or no from the pop-up window. So like I said before, Auxo main element is allowing you to select each application and go to it, or its biggest thing is its toggles. So if you swipe over to the left, you have your media toggles, but if you swipe over one more time, this is all of your settings toggles. So you have your orientation, your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all your settings, and you can just individually select on those to disable or enable them. So if you want to turn on or off your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth mode, location services, airplane mode, you can easily just select them and they will go on and off. Or if you actually hold down on each individual toggle, it will take you directly to that in the application, the settings. If you head over to Auxo settings, you have a nice user guide which allows you to tell you how to use everything about Auxo. And we also have our toggle configuration. So at the top here, if you want to enable the toggle page to be first, now when you double press your home button, swipe on over, you'll get the toggles page instead of the media toggles, which normally is the second page. Now you have your visible toggles, and then you also have your hidden toggles. So in your visible toggles, you can rearrange the order. You can move the hidden toggles up to the visible toggles if you want to display all of them. So if I want to display the ringer, the auto lock, the respring, and the settings, I can just individually move those up, rearrange the order of how they will appear when I enter my multitasking tray. Then you can go ahead and do that. So now when I swipe over to the left, you can see I have all my individual toggles, but if I swipe up, you can see the other toggles, and you can customize how many toggles you want to have in a row. Right now I do have 6, but you can customize that. Auxo works for both orientation modes, landscape or portrait, so both modes will be acceptable. If you want to head over to Cydia and get Auxo, you can search for Auxo for iPad, and the price point is $1.99, but if you happen to purchase the legit version of Auxo for your iPhone, then this will only be 99 cents. So guys, let me know what you think of Auxo for iPad in the comments section below. This has been Mitch, and I'll see y'all in the next one.